another beautiful morning today that I've just woke up from my home. I've just arrived in Nairobi, and these people that you see on this road are sleeping here. People, yes, people sleep here. People live their life here. I remember my time when I was in the street, and this was part of my life too. I used to sleep in this gunia. I used to live like the way you see these people down here. So today I'm in Nairobi for a shoot, but I don't know if I will be in Nairobi for long because I'm traveling to Nyamira. You'll see in the next video for Nyamira from Nairobi to Nyanza. Today I'm just in Nairobi City. As you can see, I'm in Nairobi town. It's very early in the morning. I came so early today. So I'm having like a shoot one, a good one around. So I'll be doing a shoot one. So this is another street in Nairobi. Wow, look at. Oh guys, I'm in the next capital city. I'm in the capital city of Kenya. So okay, coming to Nairobi is part of my Nairobi town is a part of my daily activity. Yeah, I get some things around here, and it gives me hope that one day I'll make it. It means one day that I will be able to do some really jobs. Someday I'll be making my own decision and all things that I'll be doing. That is a Falcon house. That is I&M building, as you can see. This street has grown so fast, so I think they've changed the name. They just changed the name recently to this. It is what is the time? What is the time? What is the time? What is the time? According to my phone, it is 6:25. 6:25 early in the morning. And early bird catches the worm, and as you know, and in this town, you need to be active. So I'm going to Kencom National Center. Yep. As you can see, this birds playing up there. So guys. Yes. This is Chankong.
Et il y a aussi football.